ऑपरेशन सिंदूर पर वायुसेना प्रमुख का बड़ा बयान सामने आया। पाकिस्तान में आतंकी ठिकाने तबाह किए जाने की उन्होंने बात की। उन्होंने कहा कि हमारे एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम ने शानदार काम किया है। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में पाकिस्तान को भारी नुकसान हुआ है। उन्होंने कहा कि हमने पाकिस्तान के 5 जेट मार गिराए थे, पाकिस्तान के 6 विमान मार गिराए और पाकिस्तान के 9 आतंकी ठिकानों को हमने तबाह कर दिया। ये तमाम बातें ऑपरेशन सिंदूर को लेकर एयर चीफ मार्शल AP सिंह की तरफ से कही गई हैं। एक प्रेजेंटेशन के जरिए उन्होंने तमाम बातें तफसील से साझा करते हुए ये सभी बयान दिए।
So here you can see the damage, which is of course not coming out very clear in this, but other pictures, here these 2 buildings, you can see the damage much clearly. Again, another big set of buildings, and you see the damage that is coming out. What I can show you here is there's hardly any collateral that you see. Of course, from that distance, it is not very easy to make out, but still all the adjacent buildings are fairly intact. The buildings that were targeted were based on intelligence. And this is the main building of theirs, where the weapons have gone in, and it's badly damaged. Now, one thing which was good this time was that not only did we have these satellite pictures, we also had a lot of input from the locals, media, which was giving us the inside pictures, because these were areas which were open to public kind of areas also. So there were a lot of people who were going in and out. So on the net, we could get pictures like this and videos like this. This is the same building that I just showed you. You look at the damage that has been caused inside. It's all on the open net available. So I have also picked up from there.
तो एयर चीफ मार्शल AP सिंह ने तमाम बयान दिए। बाकायदा एक प्रेजेंटेशन के जरिए उन्होंने तमाम तफसील साझा की। उन्होंने कहा कि हमने पाकिस्तान के 9 आतंकी ठिकाने तबाह किए। उन्होंने कहा कि ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के दौरान हमने पाकिस्तान के 5 जेट मार गिराए, 6 विमान मार गिराए।
Matter to them. So since we already had our plans ready, this point was debated, and both the CNCs involved, the air headquarters people and the other services, we had taken a call that since they are mostly attacking us by Air Force assets and my Air Force bases are under threat, we should respond without waiting, in case this continues tonight also. And sure enough, this time we had their attack on our airfields with not only just loiter munitions, some of long-range weapons. Their aircraft tried to penetrate our defenses. Our air defense systems have done a wonderful job. The S-400 system, which we had recently bought, has been a game changer. The range of that system has really kept their aircraft away from their weapons like, those long-range glide bombs that they have. They have not been able to use any one of those because they have not been able to penetrate this system. And during our first night, first 6th, 7th night, also air defense system had ensured that when they did their repost, their fighter aircraft were threatened. That time they had come with some of those long-range weapons which they were able to penetrate into our defenses in Balakot time, if you remember. Some of the army, some of the bombs had fallen very close to army area. But this time, since we were ready to use our long-range weapons of surface-to-air guided weapons, they were deterred. I think initially we found the build-up taking place, very massive build-up taking place. But once the first missile was fired from our side, from the ground, we suddenly found that that dissipation of that build-up. Also, we have some kills that we have got from our SAGW systems, because every time you fire a weapon on a track, you do get a feedback as to whether it is to be treated as a kill or not, because till when is that blip remaining and where is your missile going.